fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am super beyond excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a unboxing. You guys requested that I do more of these and I already had this one on the way, so I was here for it. So this is from the indie brand Enchanted Lustre Cosmetics. They are based in Australia and I found one specific eyeshadow from them that was called, what is it, Seoul Prism. Seriously the prettiest shadow, and I was lusting after it for a while, but their shipping was really high. And then they announced that they were doing like a reduced shipping rate for, I think it might end sometime in December. So it was like a special sale, like if you are an international person you can get a way better shipping rate, which I really appreciate them doing that, because I can see on the package, I think I paid $6 US and they have 17 Australian dollars is how much it cost them to ship it out. So they're definitely losing a little bit of money. So I appreciate them lowering it for a certain amount of time, because then, you know, it helps people who want to buy things justify it. So first of all, they announced that, and then they announced that they were doing lucky bags or grab bags. I can't remember what they called them exactly, but I was very excited about it because I was just like, you know, that's the perfect way to try a bunch of their products. And most of their products look, well, all their products look really beautiful. So I got this in the mail like 9 hours ago and I've been dying to open it and see what is in here. So we're gonna do it now. Before we jump in, I wanted to mention just really quickly some basic information about the order in case you are curious how long it took, how much it was. So the grab bag was $36 US, which I think is a great price. I think I paid $3.28 of sales price. And then the single shadow that I got, Seoul Prism, was $11. So my total with shipping included was $57.89. And I made that order on October 18th. My Etsy says that it was shipped on October 30th. I chose to pay for the smaller shipping rate, which did not include tracking. So I didn't know when it was going to get here, but it only took 9 days to get to me because today is October 8th. So for international shipping from Australia to Pennsylvania, it took 9 days, and that's including like Sunday. So I think that's not too shabby. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. Alright, so everything is in bubble wrap. Blue bubble wrap too. Ooh, I forgot to mention also, what did I put on my order sheet? I told you guys I like to do this. I always leave like a little note, and I said, just throwing it out there that I love colorful makeup and I have very fair skin. Alright, so here is the little bag. I can kind of see some things peeking through. I see my little Seoul Prism here, which I'm so excited to use that eyeshadow. So, alright. Here we go. Alright, so there's a little note in here. It says, "Dear Amy, thank you for all of your amazing support and helping other indie brands too. We love you." Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thank you. I love handwritten notes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is Seoul Prism, and it's cute. It's like in like a little oh, okay, it's like a little eyeshadow container. It goes out like this. Okay, and then it has a little jewel on the front. So right off the bat, I can tell you this is looking pretty magical in person. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it looks like it goes like legit from purple to green. Let me just watch it. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, when I point it towards you guys, like in the light, it looks green, but when I look at it, it looks purple. Oh gosh, I love duochromes, especially a pressed duochrome, because I always forget to reach for my loose ones. So that looks, oh my gosh, the shift is so cool. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you guys through my camera there, but maybe I'll try it on my iPhone and just like throw a video on screen if I'm able to capture how pretty the shift is. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump on in to the grab bag. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh gosh, okay. Okay, so there's like a lot of stuff in here. So, ooh, I see another Prism eyeshadow, so I'm very excited about that. Let's just go through this. Okay, so one little shadow here is a loose pigment, and it actually looks like it managed to make its way out of the packaging just a little bit. Ooh, okay, so it's like, oh gosh, it's a dark purple. Okay, let me just pick a little bit of that up. I kind of feel like I have it everywhere. This is a loose pigment and it is called BRB. I saw a thing on Twitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, it is super duochromy. I saw a thing on Twitter and it was like, remember when we used to all say BRB, but now we just stay on the internet all the time. Okay, so this shadow is really pretty. You guys see it as a green, but I see it as a purple when I look at it this way. So again, I'm just gonna pull out my phone and like see if I can get a video from this viewpoint so that you guys can see the shift. That's like a tiny size, but I feel like for a loose pigment that'll go a long way. Next we have, what is this? This says Prism and I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm not familiar with everything in their line. Oh gosh, was I supposed to do that? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Is it supposed to twist? There we go. Oh gosh. Okay, so this twists open. That makes sense. I don't know if this is a lip gloss or a liquid. And I dropped it. Great. So I don't know if this is a lip gloss or a liquid highlighter. Let me just do a little swatch. If I'm feeling it, I think it's a lip gloss. So it just kind of looks like an iridescent clear gloss with like the tiniest little bit of a pink undertone to it. So this one looks more like a glitter and it's called Electric Prism. You can't, well, I guess you kind of can see the shift, or I can't. It's like gold, and then like when I turn it like right about here, from my view, it looks like an aqua blue. Ooh, it's like, oh my gosh. That is so cool. It's almost like a chunky, glittery shade. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's kind of hard to describe the shift, but it's seriously so pretty. So like I said, that one is Electric Prism. So next in this little bag, let's see what we have here. Alright, so next in that little bag, we've got like two like little glitter holder things. Okay, alright, so it just kind of looks like a glitter. And then there is a little thing here, which I'm assuming is probably a glitter glue. I'm going to look on their website and look further. I'm not going to swatch these right now. I don't know if I'll end up using these or not, or throw them in a giveaway, because I just don't use glitter very often. I use like liquid glitter. Actually, you know what I might use these for? I really want to do a DIY thing where I try and take a liquid eyeshadow that's just like regular metallic, and then I put glitter in it and see if it works. So maybe I'll use one of these for that. Alright, so now there is another little package here that looks to have some different single products. So first off, it looks like there's a little highlighter here. Let me just pull that through. Looks like this. It looks like a white shade with an iridescent pink to it. Yeah, okay. So the formula, it feels a little bit more powdery to the touch, but it looks pretty smooth on the finger. Here, let me wipe off the swatches I already did. We'll do some more. Oh no, oh, it doesn't have, there's no label on the actual thing, and I really don't want to forget what each one is, so I guess I'll just have to slide them back in there for now until I can figure out what to do so that I don't forget. But this one is Love Spell. Yeah, that looks really pretty. So next there is a little purple shadow here called Royal. Ooh. Very pigmented, very metallic. This next shade here is called Neptune, and it's more of like a light blue shade. I feel like these shadows have like, I don't know if it's like a purposeful, like on purpose scent, but they kind of smell like just like a tiny little bit like sweet. Alright, so this next shade is Hippogriff. I'm not sure exactly what this next shade is, but it kind of looks like a dark brown with maybe like a tiny little bit of a plum undertone. I think I'm going to save this one for a giveaway because I just don't want to open things that I know I wouldn't use that much. This next one is a little bit more on the neutral side, but it still looks really pretty. This is called Peach Nectar. So I'm going to open that one. So there is Peach Nectar. That is actually such a beautiful shade. That's really pretty. Alright, so last but not least, there's a shade here called Flower Petal, and it looks like a really pretty pink. Ooh. There's Flower Petal. That's intense. That's such a pretty pink shade. So there's all the magnetic singles, and I think that they're really pretty, all super intense, beautiful shades. So overall, I'm really happy with my purchase and with the box, or the bag, whatever you want to call it. I think what I'm most excited about definitely is the different duochrome shades. Like, so pretty, so beautiful. But I think they all feel really, really nice, high quality, and I'm excited to get those on my eyeballs, like especially the Peach Nectar shade. I feel like the look that I have on today, if instead of the green I did the peach, it would just be like a really pretty, just like warm, you know, just like a fiery look, and then maybe like a little bit of the pink one like on the outer V. Like, oh, I just think it looks really, really pretty and exciting. And they actually are releasing a luxury chrome bow eyeshadow palette very soon. Well, I don't know if it's very soon. I'm hoping very soon. And it's going to be all duochromes. So they've teased 6 shades so far. And I have been like watching like a hawk to see what the next shades are. I think I'm definitely going to end up purchasing that. I feel like I'm just repeating things because I'm about to film my new makeup releases or indie makeup releases for this week. And I'm going to talk about the palette. So I'm probably just repeating things I already said if you saw that video. But I feel like especially after swatching these, they feel really, really nice. And I'm excited to try more from them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.